Hello mga kababayan ko, nandito kami sa UST Coliseum, kung saan ginaganap po yung opening ng inaugural opening ng WNBBL po, yung sa women's naman po natin sa basketball. So ito po, masasaksihan nyo ngayong araw na ito. Live din po yan sa Facebook and YouTube yung WNBBL, at ang daming mga babaeng basketballista pala dito sa ating bansa. Na-surprise po ako dahil sa dami ng mga babaeng mahilig sa basketball at gustong makapaglaro ng basketball. Ito po, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Mayroon pong 14 na team dito sa opening namin. Ayan. Okay. Sige, mag-shout out muna ako. Okay, shout out to Bing Kamiging. Shout out to Prince Lianyo. Shout out to It's Grant. Shout out to Roger Unico. Shout out to Hernan Tesorero. Shout out to Daniel Asido. Shout out to Cristina Fronteras. Shout out to Fernando Gamutan.
Thank you so much for supporting the very first WNBBL.
Ito po, mamaya po mag-shout out po ako sa inyo. Saksen po muna natin yung ginagawang opening ng opening ng WNBBL. Ito po.
Maraming salamat po for your support.
Okay, Pino. Marunong ka niya, no? Opo, galing ka niyan eh. Opo. Lalay eh.
Michael Hussein Check, reply of Graffiti Evo Philippines and Ryzen Philippines. Muli, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating sponsors. You are one of part of this event. Now, in this competition, we commit ourselves to uphold the highest standards of sportsmanship in the spirit of unity, respect, and fair play.
Yan, masaksihan natin mamaya yung game nila. Maglalaro sila mamaya. 3 game tayo ngayon. Pwede nyo mapanood sa live po yan sa Facebook. Shout out to Emmanuel Dapidran.
Ang taas na ng viewers. Kakalive pa lang.
Shout out to BBM volunteers. Hello. Shout out to Alirun. Si Alimasag. Shout out to Jason Tamayaw. Okay.
In every game I play,
Nag-live po kayo.
I pledge
Nag-live ako.
my teammates, opponents, the officials, and the game itself.
Nagre-ready na kami mamaya.
Alis na natin mamaya.
Kasama ako.
Ay, ready na tayo sa Luzon.
Hi guys, North Luzon look namin ni Senator.
Maya ba? Maya.
Kamayang umaga. Kamayang umaga sir.
Oh. Ito yung gusto ko sabihin sa inyo. Yung habang nagmamaneho ng kotse, ini-interview kayo. Kaya yung dalawa sa ano, Commissioner Kenneth. Pwede ba yun?
Sige, pag-usapan natin yan.
Ha? Pwede yun.
Arrange
Yan,
natin,
no? Tapos sa John Chambers.
Usap tayo.
Oh, ha?
Sige, sige.
Ah,
Salamat.
To always strive for excellence without compromising respect. And to represent our teams, our league, and our nation with pride. As an ambassador of women's basketball, I commit to inspiring others through my actions. So uplift the game I love. And to contribute to the growth of this history with unwavering dedication. I take this oath in the spirit of unity, respect, and excellence. For the glory of the WFPPL and the pride of the Filipino people. So help me God. Thank you so much. That was Ms. Raisa Fonera Dean.
Then we now request all the teams to please proceed to your respective seats.
Ayan, nakita nyo. Nakita nyo, excited din yung mga kababaihan natin sa paglaro ng basketball, makapaglaro ng basketball. So, abangan nyo yan. Shout out to
Sen, sama ko sa live.
Ready na bukas!
Ayan, kita-kits tayo sa North Luzon
bukas.
bukas.
Sa North.
Honor Rodel and Sancho.
Tama, thank you po.
Administrator. Hilda Maria Paz Ramos, Director.
Shout out to
Region.
Alex
Rodrigo Samuani, Athletics
Alvarado.
Moderator. And Father Louis
Rosos.
Coronel OP, the
Shout out to
Secretary General.
Lord Awing.
And we extend, of
Shout
course,
out to
our
Jen.
heartfelt gratitude to
Promote na rin
our
ako ng,
generous sponsors. Your
Hello po,
partnership
ayan ang
plays
IPBL.
a pivotal
Ayan yung
role
Artiles
in
Party List po
making this
namin.
event possible. And
IPBL
your
Party
commitment to
List.
supporting women's basketball
Salamat po,
is
salamat.
truly commendable. Thank you so much.
Shout out to Manuel Borja.
Doray, Katiko,
Espinida,
Ritias,
Espinida.
Jinky Skin, Hotel Sogo, Discovery, Bangor,
Shout out to
Ryzen
Ray
Helmets,
Arnold, Rasan.
Goto Box, Red Dynasty, Sports and Play International Corporation, Jerry's Grill, Global Boston, Babin, Graffiti, Dora, of course, to Mr. G. Policarpio, IBC President and CEO, Attorney Biboy Malaya, IBC
Thank you everyone.
Chairman of the Board.
Salamat sa
Maraming
nag-start ng laro para makita nyo. Thank you.